Want to save your Fireflies AI transcripts to your computer? Whether you need them for documentation, sharing with teammates, or offline access, exporting transcripts is quick and easy. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So yeah, let's jump right in. First, sign in to your Fireflies AI account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the Meetings tab from the left-hand menu. Then search for the meeting whose transcript you'd like to export and open it. Inside the meeting page, scroll down until you find the download icon. Click it to open the available download options. Depending on your plan and meeting type, you'll see options to download the transcript, AI summary, audio recording, or video recording. Next, choose Download Transcript. If available, select your preferred file format, such as PDF, DOCX, Markdown, CSV, JSON, or SRT. You can also choose whether to include timestamps and speaker labels before starting the download. These options make the transcript much easier to use later. Once you click Download, Fireflies will generate the file and save it to your device. After the download finishes, open the transcript to review the content. You know, it's a great way to archive meetings, share conversations, or reuse notes in other projects. Keep in mind that downloading transcripts and other meeting files is available on Fireflies Pro plans and higher. If you don't see the download option, check that the meeting has finished processing and verify which subscription plan you're currently using. I mean, those are the two most common reasons the feature doesn't appear, and that's how you export transcripts from Fireflies AI in 2026. Hopefully this guide made everything clear and easy to follow. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.